Yeah, everything is fine. My voice is audible now.
Yes, Ravi, carry on.
Yes.
Fine. Screen is visible, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay, good, good. So, okay, so let's write the write a test case about this one. What that API, this interface, right? This interface. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so good. So where we will write? Okay, this is the let's write here itself only in the this folder, right? Now right click new, take one class. So here, what is the naming convention we will follow? Last weekend I said that, right? Just tell me, guys. Test. What is that? I maths, right?
I math.
I maths. Now finish it. Okay, good. So fine now, guys. So if we want to test this one, right? This is the method, right? So if we want to test this one, so how we will write it now, guys? So what is the method convention now? Public void. What is that?
Int.
Test.
Public int.
No, nothing. We are going to write the test method, right? Test. What is that?
Okay.
Add, right?
Test.
Test add. And this one. And what is that? If we want to make this method, right? This method as what test method, then what we will do it now, guys?
Test.
At the rate
At
test.
the
Rate
test.
At the rate.
test.
Yes.
Test.
Yeah. At the rate test, right? So this is our what test method or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
Yes.
Ravi.
Okay, so fine now, guys. So I said that. Okay, so here what we will do it now. Next one is what? Next one is what now, guys? Like we have need to write what? We have need to write what? A mock framework using what? Mock object. We have need to write. We have need to create what? Mock object. So what is that? What is that? So in this one, right? Our expectation int I, right? Just what I'm doing now. Int a equal to 10, right? Int a equal to what? 10 and what? Int b, let's b equal to 20. I'm taking, right? Come on, this is a what?
Okay, Ravi.
This we will pass this value. Okay, we will pass this value or currently remove this one. Currently remove this one. Okay, so okay, so what we will load that class as a dynamically in the mock framework, guys. Okay, so what is that method name? Mock, right? Mock. And here what we will take it now? What is the interface name, guys? Come on. I right? I math na.
I maths.
We will we will load. Yeah,
Yes.
we will load that interface dynamically.
Dot
We will,
class.
yeah, we will load that method sorry, interface dynamically. And what, whenever we will load this one will return what? This what? This method will return what? Same interface, right? Same interface object.
Class of.
What is that? Math.
Yes.
Maths.
I math.
Sorry.
I
math. I math.
I maths.
Yeah. I math, right? I maths. Hey, what is this?
Ravi, for this we have to implement the interface also.
We need to hold the object, right? No, actually,
Okay, Ravi.
no, loose coupling. Our application at the time, real time, right? In the real time, we are developing our application based on the POJI programming. Means what? Loose coupling, right? Based on that, how our application we can make using loose couple. We have need to develop using what? Interface programming. Nah, come on.
Interface.
Our application we
Yes, Ravi.
developed. Our project also we completed last time, guys. Okay.
Yes.
See this in the project management, where the project management. Okay, see this.
Product management. Not that one.
This is the product
that one.
management, right? So see here, service class, right? Service. This is the service. In the service, all interfaces. In the interfaces, I took all abstract method and I given logic in the implementation class. This is its implementation class, and we took what? Interface.
Yes, Ravi.
I hope the people are remembered.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
So similar concept I'm implementing because the people can understand a mock framework easily. Because of that, I'm taking like this only, guys. Okay. Still anyone is having any doubt, let me know that, guys. Okay, I will clarify here itself only. Otherwise, after completing also the people are blind. There is no use, na.
Yes, Ravi.
No, Ravi, it is clear. Yeah.
Okay, so fine now, guys. So here, what is that? I took what is that one abstract method in the interface, right? So I want to test it, right? I want to test it, okay? Because it's still we don't have what is that? It's implementation class, right? So what we will do it now using mock framework, we will create what one dummy implementation class. Come on,
Yes, Ravi.
dummy
Yes.
implementation. How it's possible to create the dummy object using what mock framework or not?
Marketo from
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so that dummy object only I'm creating, guys. Okay, so now fine now, guys. So here what we are loading now and what we are doing now, we are creating the dummy object about this one, right? So after then what we will do now means what similar way, right? So here what now, if like the thing is, then we have need to add the logic and the method, right? We have need to add what is that, add logic to what, to method, right? Method, what is that, what is the method? When means what, when, right? When and then means one, what is that expected and actual value, guys? Okay, so what is that, int a equal to 10 I'm taking, right? Int a equal to 10 and what, b equal to 20, right? B equal to 20, right? B equal to 20, fine. B equal to 20, right? So what is that, when the a and b equal to what, 30, means what is the expected and actual value. Now means what, 30 will come now if this means what, using this method, right? Using my what is the add operation, if we want to perform the add, means we need what is the, if we want to pass the 10 and 20, then what we will get, 30 result only we will get now.
30.
Yes.
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 So
Yes, sir.
similar,
Actual is 30. Expected is
yeah,
30.
yes, when means what, when this value will come, means what, the method is there, right? When, right? When, okay, when the what is that, math, right? The call this method, right? Using this reference only we can call this method now. If we want to call the any class method, right, then we have need to reference now. So what we will do it now, math
Yes.
dot, what is the method now, add, right? Come on.
Add.
And what is that, 10
Yes, sir.
10
Yes.
10 and 20 we will pass inside this
20.
method, right? Come
Yes.
on, people are getting
Yes.
or not, guys?
Yes.
This much code is
Yes,
clear.
getting.
Yes, getting.
Okay, when means what, a and b, then what, then dot, then okay, then what, return what, a plus b, a plus b, a plus b, a plus b, this method. What happened, then return, yaar, what I'm doing now, then return what, a plus b, right? Then return what, a plus b. Come on, means what,
A plus B.
when a and b will inject, right? Then what is that, add it, what, add it, where add now, in this what, in this abstract method, right? Now here what we will do it now, guys, again what we will do it now, we will perform what is that, assert operation. Means what is our expected value now, guys? What is our expected value now? Our
30.
30.
30.
30.
our expected value is what, 30, right?
30.
Actual value also 30.
Then what, then here what is that, what we will do it now, math dot what,
Assert.
we will call the add, right? add and what directly 10 and here what we will pass it 10 and 20, right? 10 and
20.
20 and this one will return what is that result, right? Or let's say that actual
Result, actual value. Actual value.
actual and what is the return type? Int na. Come on guys.
Int.
Yes.
Yes.
Clear
Yes, yeah.
now?
Clear, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay, so
Ravi.
now if we want to check that, now again if we want to check that one, right? Actual value and what expected value means what? This is the actual value, guys. Okay, this is what? This is the actual value, right? This is the actual value and what is that?
Yes.
If we want to what is that expected value? We need what? Expected value also.
Yes, correct.
Yes. Assertive.
One minute, guys. I'm confusing. 1 minute. 1 minute. I will give the clear picture about. Don't worry. I'm forgetting something, I think. Okay, no issue. Okay, Pushpin, no issue. Okay, and the actual math dot add, fine. So good. Something goes wrong here. When we will pass this value, right? Fine, we are getting. Now this is the expectation. Okay, and what is that? This is the actual, we will get it here. Expectation. Okay, no miss. So if we want to check the content, guys, okay, so if we want to, what is the method? Anyone remember that assert equals na? Come on.
Assert
Equals
equals.
expected comma actual.
Assert equals, right? Expected value and what? Actual. We are getting the actual value. And what is that our expectation now, guys? Our expectation is what? 30, right? Let's put directly. I will check it now. Now let's right click and it perform the unit testing. Yeah, it's succeeded, guys. Okay, it's succeeded, but one things I need means we are getting the success message. Come on, but 1 minute, some confusion is there. 1 minute, I will clarify what is the confusion now, guys. Okay, actual value, actual value, this one. Okay, fine. Actual value, this one only, right?
Can you give 40 there?
No, if we give the 40, we will get the wrong 1 minute, but just I'm confused. It's failed, guys. Okay, that code is perfect, but I'm like little bit bothered about this one. See this, if we are posting 14, it's failed, right?
Okay.
1 minute. No, whatever my confusion is there, just I want to think about that one only. Like add this one is a mock it to actual value we are getting. Fine. Okay, so here itself only. Yeah, fine. So here what? Here declare expected also, right? Expected equal to what, guys? Expected equal to 30, right? Come on. Our expectation is 30.
Yes, 30.
Yeah, this is the confusion only,
30.
right? So here this is the confusion only. Fine now, guys. So fine now, guys. So here what? Expected value, right? Expected actual value is what? Actual value is what we are getting the actual value now, guys. That is the actual value, and what our expectation is 30, means what here we are passing using what assert method. I said that if we want to check the content data, if we want to what compare the content, right, then what method we are using now? Assert equals na the last time. Come on, give the response, guys.
Yes, yes, I
Yes,
remember.
Ravi.
Okay, so see this, the interface we don't have need, only the power of this method, this line, right? This power of this line, okay? And this line is available where now, guys? In the mock framework, right? Give the response.
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yes,
now
right. Without
right click,
having
run this
implemented.
one, right? Right click and run this one, and see this, our what interface testing is completed or not, guys? Succeeded or
Yes,
not,
please
means
complete.
what?
Yeah.
Then
Yes, please
Padma
success.
clear about their code or not. Yeah, whatever code I complete done, that code is what perfectly working, and I can able to submit in the what I can able to submit in the
Submit
Git
this code.
repository or not. Come on,
Yes, Ravi. Yeah.
right? Okay, so now based on that, right? See here, the return type is int, na. So because of that, what? Because of that, this, right here we are getting what? Here we are getting what? This like what we are getting inside this one mock framework, what int type. Okay, if we want to comment it, see this 0 we will get, 0 we will get. Okay, I'm commenting this line, guys. Okay, I'm commenting this line. Now right click, run as a what JUnit. See this, it's a failed, one failure will come, right? I'm commenting this one, and what, no, 1 minute, just I want to show that one, right? So here what I'm going to do it now, assert equals, right? Now see this one, right? Here what I'm doing now, sysout, sysout, sysout actual. See this, on the observed on the console, we are getting the 0, right? If a string type, we will get the null, null we will get here, right? Based on that return type itself only, we will get the data, right? We will get the data. Okay, so this one I want to show it, guys. Okay, so similar way, if okay, but my intention is not to explain this one, guys. Okay, so here what is that? This is the, but 1 minute. Okay, no issue. 1 minute, 1 minute. I want to show this one only, right? Sysout here what? Actual, right? What is the actual data is coming? I want to show that one only, right? So 0 is coming, right? So here what I'm doing now, here I'm uncommenting this one, and what I'm doing now, I'm running this code. See this 30 is coming or not, guys? Come on, come on.
Yes, because we have mocked that object.
Yeah, because I mocked that what interface, because of that I mocked that interface, and that mocked logic is created based on which line now, guys? This line now, when what is that?
18, yes.
When we are adding this one, when we are adding this argument in the method, then we are getting the result, right? Then we are returning, then our what object is returning the object, right? So like this means you guys is getting the power of what, the power of what mock framework or not, guys? Come on. And this possibility is there without
Yes, Ravi.
if the mock framework, if we are not using mock framework, it's a really possibility is there, we can test it. Like really possibility is there without
No,
completing its implementation class. Come on, give the response, guys.
no, Ravi.
I hope
With
the
the help
people,
of this one, we can create more
No,
yes,
without implementing, we got the object.
yeah, without implementing only, we can able to test our part, right? Come on. And but if we just a simple unit testing, if we are doing using assert operation, we can't, right? We can't, or we can, we can, or we
No,
can't.
simple we can't. It is returning error.
Yeah, So same like guys. Okay, so fine now guys, so let's do the some modification now guys. Okay, but later I will do it now guys. So here what I'm doing now, here we are loading the mock framework now.
Yes.
Here we are mocking the mock framework, right, using this this method. Come on, internally what this is the inside this what, see 1 minute, I'm opening the declaration of this method. This is the method, this is the static method, right, and it's available in which class now? See this here itself only, see this Mockito framework class. Come on, that method is available in which class now guys? Come on, Mockito or not? Okay, good. So fine now guys, so okay, so what I'm going to do it now guys, so see here, so in this time, right, let's just later we added one more method guys. Okay, inside this one what I'm doing now, public int what, subtraction also I'm doing, right, subtraction also. So what, int a comma what, int b, right, int a comma int b. Two methods I wrote guys. Okay, two methods I wrote. Fine now. Okay, good. So here what I'm doing now, so again I want to test it, right, so we have need to write the test method now. So what is that, I'm writing what, one more, public void what, test, what is that, sub method, right, I'm writing the test case about that what, sub method, using what, JUnit plus what, mock framework. So if we want to make this method as a what, test case method, then what annotation we will apply it now guys? Come on,
@test.
yeah, @test now. Okay, good, @test. Fine now guys, so good. So inside this one what, again what we will do it now guys, again what we will do it now guys, so just what, int, just I'm writing what, same things. Okay, again here also, right, so int a equal to what, 10. Okay, int a equal to 10, and what, b equal to what, b equal to 20, and what our expectation,
-10.
expected, right,
Yeah, expected.
expected is what guys now, -10, right,
Yeah, -10.
-10, right, it's correct now. If this right,
Yes,
if
correct.
we subtract between what, 10 and what, 20, then what we will get the result, -10 itself only, right?
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
so fine now guys, so okay, if we want to mock that, right, if we want to mock this interface, then what is that step now guys? Just tell me you guys only, because the same way only, right? So okay, so fine.
Mock
So
of imath.class.
yes, so what is
Mock
that,
of
mock dot
imath.class.
yeah, imath dot class, right, imath dot what, class. Good.
Yeah.
So this one will return what, imath
Return
only,
type
right?
is imath.
Yeah, math, right? Come on. Okay, we are getting the maths object now. Okay, fine now guys, so good. So here what we are doing again now guys, again just tell me now guys.
When math of
Yes,
when,
good,
when
very
math
good,
of
very good. When
math dot sub.
yeah,
Math dot sub.
yeah,
Math dot sub
yes, good, math dot
of
subtract, right? So here what we are
A
doing
comma
now,
B.
so a comma b, right?
A comma B.
Perfect. Then what is that, what we will
Then
do it
return,
now, and
return A minus B.
then return, good, very good, appreciated. Now a minus b, right? Good, very good.
yes.
Okay, so like this we will write. Okay, then what is that, now we will specify again what is that actual value now, int act.
Yeah.
Sub 10 comma 10.
Math dot sub.
Yes,
10 comma 20.
yes,
10
very
comma
good.
20.
Math math comma math dot what sub 10 comma 20. Good.
Comma 20.
Right, very nice. Okay, this is the assumption value
Assert
now, guys.
equals
Okay, good. Assert equal to
Equals.
expected and actual value now, guys.
Excellent.
Okay,
That is
so
right.
okay, so fine now, guys. So now I want to test it. Okay, so good. So what we are doing now, run this one JUnit. Yeah, see this. Remove this one, okay, because of that we are getting every time on the console. Now fine. Okay, now test this one. Okay, run JUnit. Now observe the JUnit console now, guys. See, two methods is running right inside this one. See, test add and test sub, and both are the succeeded now. Okay, both method is passed now, guys. Okay. Okay, good now, guys. But what one we can change, we can modify it. See this. This is the local variable now. Here, what we are doing now, and if we can't use outside, right? Come on, we can use it. We can't now. Come on.
Can't use outside.
No, we
Local
can't, right?
variable.
So this is the local variable, right?
Instance variable.
Yes. So what we will do it now, guys? So we will declare those one, this one, right? This one we will declare as a what class level. Okay. So what we will do now, private, what is that? iMath, math, right? Math. Okay, iMath equal to math, right? Fine now. So after then what we will do now, I want to mock this class. I want to mock this interface. So what is that? Mock annotation is there now, guys. Okay, this one also will activate our what, and what we will do now here, comment this one. No need, guys. Okay, because see this, if we are declaring two times, means what, memory performance issue will come or not, guys? Same object, why we will declare in the same right test class multiple time? We will declare only one time, right? And we will use multiple times, so our application performance will increase or not?
Yes, increase.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So-
that's correct.
So
Yes.
so instead of writing like this, what I'm doing now, like this we are writing, guys. Okay, like this we are writing. This is the good way to test, right? This is the good way to write the test cases, guys. Okay, what is the after ending, what is the good way and how we are writing in the real time test cases, I'm giving to you guys. Okay, so fine now, guys. So here what is that? mock and math. Okay, so fine now, guys. So see this, I commented this line, I commented here also, but what I'm doing now, I'm running this one, but still we are getting the what, still we are getting the error now, guys. See this, run JUnit. See this red mark is coming, right? Means what? Java lang null pointer exception we are getting, right? Why we are getting now? We have need to initialize, guys. Okay, we have need to initialize. What is that? This what? This mock in annotation is giving all environment, but what is that? We have need to activate this mock annotation in this API, right? In this what, test class. So what we will do it now, guys? We will write one method, public what? Public void setup, just write setup only, right? Setup, and here itself only, in this class only, what is that? We have need to activate this mock annotation. So what is the class name? Mock. What is that? Mockito. Mockito annotation, right? I think this is yeah, Mockito annotation dot, inside that one init mock annotation is there, and which object you want? This current object I want to activate it now. I think this is the deprecated now. Okay, no issue. So okay, what, guys? Before annotation is there now, before h, come on. Now run this one, and in this time we will, our API will pass, guys. Okay, our API will pass now. See this, we are getting the success message or not? Come on, give the response.
Yes.
Now,
So Ravi, can you please elaborate
sorry,
what it will do exactly? That before each setup method you have written, no?
Yes, yes.
Initially we got error.
Yeah, actually, we have need to activate this annotation, right? Because here we are not using a Spring Boot application where we will get the auto configuration things, na.
Oh.
So we have
Okay,
need to,
okay,
we
got
have
it,
need
got
to,
it.
we have need to before initializing this object, right? We have need to activate. So every before the test case, right? Before the test case, this block, if we are using this annotation, means what? This block will execute
Yes.
now. So the data will inject inside this
Correct.
method. Correct? Clear?
Okay. Yeah. Right. Clear. Clear.
So now here you people will get what clear picture about that at the rate before each method also where we are using in the real time.
But if it is Spring Boot, we no need to write that, right?
Don't worry, in the Spring Boot, this is the core like explicitly we are using the like in the Maven only itself
Okay.
only we are learning the core mock framework now. So because of that explicitly we are in the Spring Boot environment, there is no, we will not write directly, we will write the logic itself only. But what is that
Okay.
internally like this will happen, because of that I explained to you guys. Okay.
Yeah. Clear, Ravi. Thank you.
Now anyone having any doubt, guys, please let me know that, because our next level discussion is what our core concept I completed related to mock framework. Next level discussion to we have test project testing, guys. Okay, project testing. This project testing I will do. So is still anyone having any doubt in the current session? Ask me, guys. I will clarify that.
Ravi, here in this setup method, we are creating the math reference object, right? Before each method runs.
Yes. Here, no, we are creating the container about that mock framework here. And see this here annotation. This is the annotation, right? See, just focus on Padma, focus on this area, right? Mock framework annotation is there.
Okay.
But this mock annotation, we are not using a Spring Boot application where we will get all those things as auto configuration. So here what we have need to do now, we have need to activate, we need to activate this annotation, and that annotation activation class is this one, guys. Okay, so before loading this this method, what we have need to do now, we have need to activate this method now. So for that purpose, what I took now, I took what is that, this I took one block. In that block I took this one, and this keyword meaning, current object, right?
Yes, this object.
In the current object, what is the current object? Maths class na activate this annotation, meaning this one only.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, now got it. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, guys. So in the session, whatever till now, whatever things we discussed, how the session and like the people are getting the point or not?
Yes, Ravi, it's clearly explanation is very nice.
Yes,
Okay.
Ravi, today new thing we learned.
That's
Sorry?
great,
Now we got one idea also how to do the
see
testing also.
the mock framework is using the Mockito framework. Now it's still clear picture, right? The project, the real-time web application is there na. Don't worry, till now why I explained now this area na. See this auto configuration, right? Request, response, all those things na. Don't worry, next one we will this object only we will create in the using mock framework, and we will make the request to our API and we will test it. Okay, don't worry, still so many concept is there. So now guys, so 4:55 is happening, right? 4:50 is near about 2 hour is completed. Our explanation 2 hour, because today we started our session 3 o'clock, right? And now 5 o'clock is happening in India, right? So let's take like one I want 1 hour break, guys. Okay, because some work also is going on right here in my home, so I need to observe those things also. We will connect again 6 o'clock, and we will complete today like a mock framework, and next weekend freshly we will start microservices.
Okay.
Ready, guys?
So next one will be, we are going to implement in project, right?
Yeah, next one we are going to test our project REST controller, our project controller. Okay, this is the project controller. This is the project controller, and we will test this methods.
Okay. Okay.
And
Fine.
for that purpose I need 1 hour break, guys, and we today itself only we will complete, and next weekend we will start what microservices, and those are attending the session, those people only will get what our videos also, what, because I'm going to upload our microservices videos on Drive, and I will provide those Drive link, those people only who is attending the session.
Okay. Then,
Okay. Okay.
Okay, guys, so let's take one break, and we will continue after. We will connect. I will put the message in the group also. Let's connect it, and we will connect, and we will complete it today itself only, right? Today itself only mock framework. Now real mocking usage will come in the project only, guys. Don't miss. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
We will
Yeah.
Sure.
come back.
Okay,
Thank you,
guys.
Ravi.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Thank you.